So my name is Jimmy Verdone. I'm one of the band directors here at Marlborough High School. I direct the wind ensemble, the marching band, and the jazz ensemble. We have a really unique opportunity coming forward on Tuesday where we're going to be able to work with Jerome Jennings, who is a drummer with the Lincoln Center Jazz Orchestra and also the director of the Juilliard Jazz Orchestra. We were able to get this opportunity due to our friends over at Foxborough High School. Foxborough High School and their director, Mr. Aaron Bush, were selected this year as a finalist band for the Essentially Ellington competition, which is a festival put on by Jazz at Lincoln Center where the top 15 jazz ensembles throughout the country will submit tapes and be selected through a blind audition process. Mr. Bush's band was selected, and because of that, they get to go down to New York City and play in the House of Swing at Jazz at Lincoln Center. And they also will get Jerome Jennings to come and work with their band for a few hours on the music that they're going to be preparing for the festival. And the really cool thing that Jazz at Lincoln Center does is they do this outreach program with the finalist bands where each director of the 15 finalist bands gets to pair up with another school. And with our partnership with Mr. Bush, he came in and worked with us during February vacation as we got ready for our festivals. He was so happy with the way the kids were so receptive to new ideas and wanting to get better that he selected Marlborough High School as the recipient of this outreach program to have Jerome Jennings from Jazz at Lincoln Center come and work with us. So we're really excited about this opportunity for the kids and to see how they're going to grow as young musicians because of this. So now we're going to hear from a few of our students who are just so excited to tell you a little bit about why they are so pumped for Tuesday. What about Tuesday working with Jerome Jennings is going to be different and you're excited about?
Well, I'm really excited that they come from Lincoln, and I don't think I've ever played with anybody or have had anybody come help me who's at that level. I'm really excited to work with a drummer. We haven't really had many drummers work with us as a band, only like one other this year. So I'm really looking forward to that and working on improv as well.
I am so excited and nervous at the same time because I don't even know what he's gonna do on me. But like, I've seen his videos, like he's crazy. Like, I'm so excited right now.
It's gonna be able to dive deeper into everything we're learning and specifically like learning how to solo.
I know that this experience is gonna help us improve so much more and become better musicians and a better group overall.
How do you think you have grown as a musician this year?
I think I've really become more confident in playing and just being okay with how I'm sounding. If I mess up, just keep going along and keep working hard.
If you could say anything to other bands in the future that might want to be part of the group here, what would you say?
Just have fun. I think indulge in the music and enjoy it every day, because I think that's like the really cool part about music, that it can help you connect with other people and it's just fun and it's just good vibes. Just don't take it too seriously, but work hard and just have fun.
This year is actually my first year, and honestly, I really love it. I actually love being in this band. And
what about it?
honestly, just like I actually like made a bunch of new friends this year, and like learning new stuff on the drums as well. Cause like I wasn't really that good before I came here, but like no.
Yeah, man.
I really feel like I've grown into this family of musicians. I feel like we're closer now, now that we spent this entire year together after not being together for a very long time. And I don't know, I know I'm gonna miss this when I go off to college, but like it'll always be a part of me.
Very cool. So again, we're really excited about this opportunity given to us by our friends over at Foxborough High School and their director, Mr. Aaron Bush. When I was talking to Mr. Bush, and I was like so thankful for this great, unique experience for our kids, he said something that really resonated with me, that when you have the success and you have the opportunities that you have, that's the time to make the table longer and not the walls taller. So that's just a wonderful way to kind of live our lives and a great message for our students. Our friends at Foxborough, thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity. And Jerome, we're really excited to see you on Tuesday.